Hi, today we're going to see how to access our results when a survey is completed. To do so, go to your account in My Surveys and choose the survey you are interested in. Once your survey is finished, you can access all the results in the Results tab on the left. All your questions appear as graphs. Open-ended questions appear as a word cloud. You can change the type of graph, and rank the results if you wish. You also have access to data tables in both headcounts and percentages. You can easily create subtotals or filters. Finally, you can export your results, graphs in PNG or PowerPoint format, or export your data tables in Excel format. If you want to export all your results, click on Export all survey results. You can either export individual data in Excel or CSV format, data tables in Excel format, or graphs in an automated PowerPoint report. All this data will be sent to you by email. This may take more or less time depending on the size of your questionnaire. Et voilà, you have all the tools you need to start analyzing your questionnaire.